Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I want to show you how to prepare an easy chicken curry. In our restaurant, we make our own curry powder by using more than 10 different types of herbs and spices. But that is too troublesome if we make it at home. So today, I want to show you how do we prepare chicken curry by using a store-bought curry powder. Let's take a look how to do it. You can get the recipe in the description right below the video and more information by following the link to the blog post. Cut the chicken into large chunks, bone in and skin on, and then add a tablespoon of salt to 1 kilogram of chicken and mix it up and leave it aside to marinate for 3 hours to let the salt penetrate deep into the internal of the chicken. While we are marinating the chicken, let's prepare other ingredients. Cut the potato to the size a little smaller than the chicken pieces. Next, prepare a few ingredients that we need to blend. First, onion. Just cut it into big chunks. Ginger. Lemongrass. Cut away both sides and peel off the outer shaft, which is green. Lemongrass is a little harder than ginger and onion, so it is advisable to cut it smaller into thin slices preferably, so that it is easier to blend. Chili. I'm using the red chili, which is moderately hot. If you do not want your curry to be too hot, remove the seeds and the pith, as what I'm doing. Cut the chili into small pieces and put it into the blender. Add some cooking oil to the onion, ginger, chili and lemongrass. Blend it until it becomes a smooth paste. Let's look at it. Yes, it is now become a very smooth curry paste. Transfer the paste to a pan and saute it until it turns aromatic. There's no need to add additional oil, as we have added oil to facilitate the blending. After some time, the moisture from the onion and the chili has gone, and now you can really smell the aroma rising from the pan. At this point, it's time to add the chicken. Give it a good mix. And now we add the coconut milk. I'm using the fresh coconut milk from the market, the wet market. And to enhance the flavor, I'll also put in some chopped tomato. And then 2 or 3 sprigs of curry leaves. And don't forget to put in the most important ingredients, curry powder. Add the curry powder to the pan. And certainly you need some extra water. This store-bought curry powder has all the combination of the spices that you need for the curry. Cinnamon, star anise, cloves, cardamom, cumin, fennel, and many more. A little bit more water. Once you combine the curry powder with the chicken, simmer for 10 minutes and cover. Add the potatoes. and then continue simmer over low heat for another 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked and the potato turns soft. Now the curry is ready. Wow! The aroma is a complex interplace of the herbs and spices. It's really nice. Look at the gravy. Do a taste test. And this is my curry chicken. You can serve it with biryani rice, tomato rice, or just steamed rice. Chapati, roti jala, paratha, well, it's all good. Garnish with some fresh curry leaves. And here it goes. This is how I prepare the curry chicken. And don't forget to follow this channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'm KB Kwan, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.